In 1864, magician Harry Cooke performed this trick to Abraham Lincoln. Very little is known about this encounter, apart from the fact that Lincoln was completely fooled by this trick. Cooke showed Lincoln a playing card and a bill. He took the bill and folded it in half, and then placed the playing card over the bill. He then carefully, but cleanly, wrapped the bill around the card. Cooke then snapped his fingers, showing Lincoln that the card was now inside the bill. After a few more seconds, Lincoln watched the card melt directly through the bill. Cooke then removed the card and revealed that the bill was completely unharmed. The secret to this effect is very simple. Take two identical cards and cut one in a straight line 2 centimeters from the top. Now add a strip of glue to the top card as shown. This creates a single flapped card. Now take a banknote and fold it slightly off center, and then place the flap of the card into the note as shown. The spectator should not see this happen, so perform this when the back of the card is facing them. Now simply fold the bill around the card and let it melt through by dropping it down. Now remove the card and reveal that the note is unharmed.